Hey guys, I'm JD over here at Guaranty RV. Today we're looking at a Freedom Express 204 RD. So some cool features about it is you're going to have your front tongue jack. It's going to be a full fiberglass wall, so you're going to have a nice automotive front cap. And you got a nice diamond plate protection shield right here. Works pretty well. Onto the side, you're going to have tons of storage underneath. You can fit almost anything you really want down there. You will have your little solar plug right here. So if you do have solar panels, you can plug them in. You're going to have your basic hookups on the side here as well. And then further on we go, you got the handy dandy handle. Love those. You do have a ladder on the back, which is always nice to, check your seals once in a while. And if you don't want to do that, we do free inspections once a year. You do have more storage cargo in the back. And then further on we go, on the outside, we're going to have more of our basic hookups for your TVs, your satellites, and you're going to also have an outside shower. So on those days you go to the coast or get dirty, you can actually, kind of wipe off. It does weigh 6,000 pounds, fully loaded, and only 4,000 pounds unloaded. So if you got a bigger V8 or a big V6 that you can hook it up to, you can. Onto the inside, it's going to be a unique layout, but it's going to be pretty cool. So onto the inside of the trailer, this Coachmen is going to have tons of storage space. You can put almost anything you really want. Now onto this cute little dinette, you do have storage underneath both sides, and then this does make into your full-size bed. Onto the side, you got your fridge, which is nice size, your freezer, which is pretty big as well, and you do have a small lip, so all your stuff's not going to come all the way out. And then the bathroom is actually a pretty decent size for how small this trailer is, and you do have seamless countertops. And then further on to the back we go. You got your sink here. You got a full big farm style sink, your cutting board along with it. You got your 3 stove top burner, and the top one's gonna be the best, heats up the most. And then onto the bed, you got a nice sized bed. And you do have storage underneath it as well. And you got tons and tons of, cabinet space up here. And you do have LED lights right above your head so you can see. And you also have speakers there. So if you do like music, gosh, you're set. But guys, if you do have any other questions on this trailer or really anything, please give me a call at 541-954-4683, and I'd love to help you guys out. Thank you so much.